Hi there, and welcome to my website. So this is just a brief intro into who I am and my background. So I actually began software development and consultancy in the late 90s after graduating from University of Greenwich. So I'd worked with Channel 4 television previously, and then I began consultancy, working for the likes of TilleyTech, BMG Entertainment, and so on, working with Delphi language initially, and then moving into Visual Studio and C# and Microsoft technologies later. And it wasn't until 2001 that I crossed into investment banking for UBS Warburg, as it was named back then, working on equities and warrants, multi-tier Java projects. So I've crossed from Delphi to Java. So I've been working with Java since the late 90s, and these days I tend to work on the trading floor, working with front office, middle office, in terms of trade capture, trade flow, risk, P&L, and data analytics. So I tend to work usually with active pivot on the server and aggregating this data, pulling data in, and working on risk reporting. So Java on the server, active pivot, C#, and in the last year or two, I've been working on a C# Excel add-in. Well, two components: C# for an Excel add-in, and then the hard work is done in the DLL, which actually turns any requests into MDX. So MDX is the language of OLAP and data cubes. For anyone who's worked in data cubes, they'll know MDX looks a bit like SQL, but slightly different and at times a little bit more complicated. But my main passions are working on data analytics, and aggregation, and turning this into something meaningful in terms of reporting and helping people get a picture on their data. And alongside this, I also work in C# in Unity, and I'm working on some games, educational fun games and apps. So that kind of gives you a very quick whirlwind tour from the late 90s up until 2022 we are at the moment. But yeah, hopefully this gives you a quick idea of who I am.